Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Quad Boss Lee. And today, again, we are working on the Ford Freestyle today. We are banging out these videos. I hope you guys are enjoying them. But today we are working on the Ford Freestyle, and we are going to be replacing the rear console vents, I would say, is probably what it's called. I don't know the exact term, but in the Ford Freestyle, on the driver's side center console, on the back, there are two AC vents for the passengers in the back. So, show you guys, one of the vents is completely destroyed when I bought the cars like that. So we're going to be replacing that today so it looks all fresh and brand new. So let's get started. Alrighty, so we are on the rear of the vehicle here, right behind the driver's seat and passenger seat. And as you can tell, we're missing a vent, which is not very aesthetically pleasing, as well as functionality. So we're going to be replacing this whole piece here, and I have the replacement piece right here. Now this again is not brand new, but it is brand new to me because everything works. So as you can tell, there are 6 locking tabs, 4 up front, 2 on the bottom. So this should be a really easy removal and install. So you can either take a flathead screwdriver or your fingers and just pry that. Now, that's it. That's all it takes is to get that out. You want to go ahead. Here's my vent. I'm just chilling in there. So we're gonna go ahead, remove this one. Tuck up. I had some wires back here that will be in a future video. I'm going to tuck those away, and then we're going to go ahead and take our new one and just pop it into place. So I'm going to go ahead and pop it into place, and we'll take a look. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so the new piece is in. Like I said, quick and easy. Pop out, pop in. The vents go up and down like they should, side to side. Same thing, up, down, side to side. So that is it. Now we have a functioning rear AC, as well as you don't just have a hole in the back of your center console. So we fixed that. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, so that concludes today's video on the Ford Freestyle. Short and sweet, but I just want to, anything I work on this car, I want to make a video for you guys because there's not a lot of these out there. So I try to film as much as I can, even though it may be a small piece. It might be helpful to a lot of people out there. Thank you for watching today's video. Short and sweet, but it did its purpose, and we're fixing the small cosmetic things inside the car to make it function better and better and make it a better daily driver. Guys, without further ado, that concludes today's video. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button on the bottom of the screen, as well as if you want to see more content on the Ford Freestyle or all the other content that we do, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you're the first one to know when we drop a video. But guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you next week. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.